Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be air frying this vegetable spring rolls that I got from the Asian store. So I feel lazy to make my own spring rolls, so I decided to just get one that is ready to fry. So it has 20 pieces inside the box, and now we are going to air fry some of it. Here it is. And then I like to spray canola oil on my air fryer and also to the stuff that I am going to air fry. So I just set it to 40 degrees Fahrenheit and I air fried it for 35 minutes. So just make sure that you are going to flip it in the middle of cooking. So 15 minutes, this is how it looks like, and there it is 35 minutes later, and this is how our vegetable spring roll looks like. So of course, get you some spring roll dipping sauce, and oh, this is so good. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.